Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to watch rugby live online from anywhere in the world. Whether you want to stream test matches, sevens tournaments, or full Rugby World Cup replays, this is one of the easiest and fastest ways to do it. So, the website we'll be using is called RugbyPass TV. It's the official streaming platform created by World Rugby, and the best part? It's completely free. All you need to do is create a free account and you get instant access to live rugby, classic matches, highlights, documentaries, and more, all in HD right on your phone, laptop, or smart TV. But there's a catch. RugbyPass TV live streams are only available in certain countries due to broadcasting rights. So if you're watching from the US, UK, Australia, Canada, or most of Europe, you'll either see a geo-restriction message or the live match won't be available at all. But the fix is super simple. All you need is a VPN. Since we're currently outside the allowed regions, we can't access the live content directly. But with a VPN, we can connect to a country where RugbyPass TV offers live streams, like Slovakia, Vietnam, or Mongolia. And that makes the website think we're actually located there. Just like that, you unlock full access to RugbyPass TV live matches, no matter where in the world you are. Now, you might be wondering, can I use a free VPN for this? Honestly, not a good idea. Free VPNs are slow, have bandwidth limits, and most of them don't work with RugbyPass TV or other streaming platforms. You'll likely run into buffering, low resolution, or even dropped connections in the middle of a match. That's why I recommend checking out VPNsaver.com, a site that lists the best VPNs on the market, all tested and verified for streaming. You'll find the fastest and most affordable options, perfect not just for watching rugby, but also for streaming Netflix, BBC iPlayer, and many other services. These VPNs are built for smooth streaming, everyday use, and staying secure online. Whether you're looking for ultra-fast speeds, low pricing, or just a reliable VPN that works, VPNsaver.com has got you covered. Plus, every VPN recommended there includes military-grade encryption, full privacy protection, and a strict no-logs policy, so you stay safe and anonymous online. Once you've picked your VPN, just download the app, open it, and connect to a server in a country like Slovakia or Vietnam. Then go to RugbyPass TV, log into your account, refresh the page, and boom, you're watching rugby live for free in HD. And that's it. If you want to stream every major rugby match no matter where you are, make sure to visit VPNsaver.com. The link's down in the description. Enjoy the games, stay safe online, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more videos like this. See you in the next one.